Hi and welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. Today we are making a breakfast dish called Thavalai Adai. Thavalai in Tamil means a water pot. This dish used to be made in the olden days in thick-bottomed brass pots and hence the name. Unlike your regular adais, this is a ready-made mix, a dry powder. It's a simple to make breakfast dish. You just add in some boiling hot water, some vegetables, tempering, mix it well and your adai batter is ready. Let's go into the dry ingredients. 1 cup of Idly rice or parboiled rice, half a cup of Toor Dal, 1/4 cup Channa Dal, 1 teaspoon of Moong Dal, some Jeera, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 to 3 red chilies as per your taste. Here we have items for tempering, some mustard, Jeera, Asafoetida, finely chopped coriander, green chilies, ginger, curry leaves. I have here grated carrot and some frozen grated coconut and gingelly oil to cook. Take a dry mixie jar and add the ingredients for grinding: the rice, Toor Dal, Channa Dal, Jeera, red chilies, moong and peppercorns. Grind this into a dry powder in a rava or suji-like consistency. Here's the dry powder. It has a coarse rava-like consistency. Now let's take some boiling hot water and pour it into this powder. Let's add the grated coconut and the carrot and mix this well. Let's keep this aside for say 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's do the tempering. I've heated gingelly oil in a small tadka. Let's add the mustard and let it splutter well. Let's add Jeera, curry leaves, Asafoetida, the ginger, green chilies and the coriander leaves. Mix it well. Give it a small stir. We can see that the dry powder has completely absorbed the boiling hot water and is somewhat semi-cooked now. Let's add the tempering and some more boiling hot water. Let's reserve some hot water again and give this a really good mix. We can see that the batter requires a little more water. Remember to use only boiling hot water in this process. Salt to taste. The consistency of this batter should be slightly thicker than your regular adai batter. Now let us keep this batter aside for another 15 minutes. Now the batter is ready. We can see that it is quite thick. This is the perfect consistency. Now let's see how to make the adais. I've taken a kadai and some gingelly oil. Generally, we use gingelly oil only to make this kind of adai. Let's add about half a teaspoon of oil to the hot kadai. Add 2 ladles of batter. Just press it around gently. Do not make it too thin. Poke some holes with a toothpick. Add another half teaspoon of gingelly oil on top. Close it with a lid and cook on low to medium flame. Be patient with cooking the adais. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes, but it will be worth it. We can see that the top is partially cooked. Now we will be able to flip it over. Gently ease the adai out and flip it. Allow it to become golden brown on both sides. A little more oil. Do not be stingy with gingelly oil for this adai. It does require around 2 to 3 teaspoons, but just 1 adai will be sufficient for a good breakfast. Now this adai is ready. It's golden brown on either side. It's ready to be served. Enjoy it with some idli chili powder called the mulaga pudi, or a tangy tomato tokku or a chutney. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.